Hey there, food lovers. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just learning your way around the kitchen, there are some major don'ts that can ruin your dish, or worse, put you in danger. In today's video, we're counting down the 10 things you should never do while cooking. Keep watching, there's a bonus tip towards the end of the video that might change your life. Number 1. Never leave cooking unattended. This is the number one cause of kitchen fires. Whether you're frying, baking, or boiling, stay nearby. A distracted cook is a dangerous cook. Number 2. Never cook with dirty hands. Always wash your hands before touching any food. If you throw items in the garbage, remember to wash your hands again before touching the food. Bacteria spreads quickly, so use soap and warm water when washing hands. Your health depends on it. Number 3. Never use the same cutting board for meats and vegetables. Cross-contamination is real. Use separate cutting boards or thoroughly clean between uses to avoid food poisoning. Number 4. Never use a dull knife. A dull knife is more dangerous than a sharp one. It can slip and cause injury. Keep your knives sharp and handle with care. Number 5. It may seem harmless, but never thaw meat on the counter. Bacteria loves room temperature. Always thaw in the fridge, cold water, or microwave to defrost. This will keep you healthy and safe from bacteria. Number 6. Do not overheat oil. Overheated oil can catch fire in seconds. If your pan starts to smoke, turn it off immediately. And never throw water on a grease fire. Number 7. Never ignore ventilation. Cooking without turning on the exhaust fan or opening a window can lead to poor air quality and even carbon monoxide buildup, especially if using gas. Number 8. Never taste with cooking spoon. Tasting while stirring can spread bacteria, especially when cooking for others. Use a clean spoon every time. Number 9. Never overcrowd your pan during cooking. Avoid overcrowding the pan while cooking. Instead, cook in smaller batches to achieve an even, golden brown finish. This allows heat to distribute properly for optimal frying results. Number 10. Never wear loose clothing while cooking near fire. These items can catch fire quickly. Always wear fitted clothes or roll your sleeves up when cooking on the stove. And here's a bonus tip. Never spray disinfectants while food is exposed. Cleaning as you go is great, but never spray disinfectants, bleach solutions, or chemical cleaners around exposed food. Those tiny mist particles can land on your meal and make it toxic. Always cover your food or clean before or after meal prep, not during. There you have it. 10 essential cooking don'ts, plus one bonus tip that could keep your food safe and your family healthy. Cooking is an art, but safety is the secret ingredient that makes every dish better. Let us know in the comments if you've ever accidentally made one of these mistakes, or have a tip we should add to our list. And as always, if you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss any future kitchen tips.